15 common local SEO mistakes businesses make. 1. Unlocalized keyword targets. 2. No customer reviews. 3. Inconsistent NAP data. 4. No directory profiles. 5. No Google My Business listing. 6. Ignoring negative reviews. 7. No backlinks. 8. Website not optimized for mobile. 9. Poor quality website content. 10. Duplicate listings. 11. No contact information on website. 12. Poor image optimization. 13. Keyword stuffing. 14. Unoptimized blog content. 15. Poor technical SEO. For latest digital marketing news, guides, tips and strategy, visit webtools.com now and keep yourself updated.